So guys, camera is turned on now. And see I'm on manual mode. Let me just take a picture of the flash. See. Let me take without flash. That's with the help of this camera light here. It doesn't do well like that. It's not even focusing. So guys, I believe the flash is really getting low. I don't know what else I can do. I don't know if I got the lens accuracy. But let me try and shoot this on this video now. Now that I've got the camera, I'm gonna try and shoot video on this now. The vlogging kit. So guys, the next video you're going to see is me vlogging on this camera itself. So guys, the video you're seeing being recorded now is with the camera itself. I don't know what you see. Does this do justice to the quality? Like you see, this is the camera light, user manual, Optimax. Like this. The Optimax LED case, packaging. The camera case, packaging. The lens cover. How does it do justice to the quality? Is it good? Is it professional? Lens cover as well. Lens strap. What do you guys think? The camera bag, the accessories, the kits. How do you guys think of the quality, guys? Do you like this? Should this be my new camera for the new video recording accessories? What do you guys think? Let me know in the comment section below. That's all for that, guys. I think I've done everything that I can do to unbox it. Right now I'm using the camera flash, the Optimax flash as you've seen there, and the Optimax tripod as well. So I don't think I really need any other thing to record videos with than this, because it also does very well in giving me that brightness. As you can see, the light is very bright. I don't know if it does justice to the video. Thanks for watching, guys. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe. And name my humble self, the art of the man. More Kodak. What's the name? Well, I still have more Kodak Pixpro AZ425 videos to shoot for you guys. So stay tuned to the video. We'll wrap it up right there. Thanks for watching. I really appreciate it. My humble self, man, at the art of the man. Thanks for watching.